ISFJ strengths, talents, and skills. How ISFJs excel. Everyone has their own skills and strengths, which help them excel and accomplish great things. Using these strengths can help people make the most out of their situations and find ways to advance and improve. While we all have unique strengths, each personality type often has natural skills they can learn to grow and strengthen even more. They have certain areas in which they will naturally excel and abilities that help them fit into situations better. ISFJs have plenty of strengths, some of which might not be obvious to those around them. ISFJs don't often like flaunting their skills in a way that seems over the top, but they do possess them. They are empathetic. ISFJs are naturally empathetic people who can sense and feel the emotions of those around them. This sense of connection to other people helps them find ways to help others and search for ways to make them happy. For the ISFJ, tending to the needs of others is an important part of who they are, and recognizing their emotions is not something they can avoid. ISFJs get a strong sense of what others are feeling and can read them rather quickly. This can be something that makes others feel uneasy, but can also bring them a sense of comfort when the ISFJ is there to show their support and help them feel better. This helps the ISFJ excel in careers and situations where they need to understand others. The fact that they so naturally can grasp the needs and emotions of those around them is actually something that can be used to help them advance in their careers, as well as make lasting relationships. The ISFJ is capable of responding to another person's emotions and instinctively knows how to please them. This makes them excellent in caretaker positions, especially when they are there to help bring a sense of comfort to other people. This can also help the ISFJ climb the social and career ladders if they want to. They just struggle when it comes to cutthroat in those environments. They do enjoy connecting with people though, and this is certainly a strength that helps them excel in many situations. They are organized. ISFJs are organized people who are capable of taking on many tasks and responsibilities. While others might struggle to keep up with a schedule and get things done, this is something that comes naturally for the ISFJ. While this might not be something they revere as a strength, it helps them in many areas of their lives. Many people struggle to keep on a schedule, which can cause them to fall behind with their work and important tasks they should be tending to. ISFJs can keep these things organized in their mind and work hard to ensure they maintain it all at once. They know how to keep track of the details and ensure they don't allow anything to fall short. ISFJs work hard to ensure that they can take care of these responsibilities and place a lot of importance on being able to care for those around them. Being organized isn't a small skill. It is something that makes the ISFJ very capable. Where others might struggle to keep up, the ISFJ can see their path and maintain it without allowing distractions to prevent them from doing so. They remain focused on the task at hand and can often juggle many things at once. They keep track of the things that matter most to them, which helps them excel in many situations. The ISFJ will adapt when a struggle arises by ensuring they are organized and know how to solve the problem. They have such a strong work ethic, and this is not a small strength. Instead, it is something that helps them accomplish their goals. This natural ability to see what is in front of them and work hard to get things done is certainly something that helps the ISFJ excel in so many areas of their lives. They see things with a practical mind. ISFJs have practical minds, which many people might look past because they are naturally compassionate. While ISFJs do care about the emotions of others and want to help them, they have a knack for practical problem solving. They can see the issue before them and work to find the most suitable solution. ISFJs care about doing things intelligently, since they want to be sure they can achieve their goals and care for everyone around them. Their minds can look at proven methods and see how to utilize them to get things done. Where others might become anxious and follow their emotions, ISFJs are efficient people who try to focus more on keeping organized and maintaining a sense of focus on the task at hand. They are stronger than people know. They use this practical sense to keep them moving forward and help them take care of others. ISFJs are often independent people who don't often lean on others. Instead, they are the person everyone seems to lean on and go to when they need help and guidance. ISFJs enjoy being a support system, but because of this, people don't see how much they carry themselves. ISFJs will take on the burdens of others, but don't want to be someone who leans on those around them. They are independent and try hard to be someone who can care for themselves, making them rather strong and impressive people. This inner strength is an impressive part of the ISFJ, making them far more complex than most people realize.